Hey everyone, this is Chase at Rocky Mountain ATV. Today we are showing you the lineup of tubes from Tusk. All right, everyone, thank you for checking in. So if you are shopping for some tubes, we are here to help you out. We have the 3 different offerings from Tusk. We have the heavy duty, which is 2 millimeters thick, the severe duty, which is 3, and then the ultra heavy duty, which is 4. We just want to go through, talk about the difference between these, and help you decide which one might be best for you. These are very high quality tubes made from a butyl rubber, and we'll start out with the heavy duty 2 millimeter. So with this tube, this is a great stock replacement tube. So I run primarily motocross. This is the tube that I've been running for a while now. I have great luck with this. And what's nice about this tube is that it's 2 millimeters thick, where a lot of your stock tubes are between 1 and 1.3. So even though it is just a replacement, you could say, for your stock tubes, it's still gonna offer more flat resistance, more durability than most tubes that are out there. So it's also very inexpensive. You're about 12 bucks for the largest size inner rear. And as far as weight goes, in a 19-inch rear, it is 1 pound, 13 ounces. So again, great option for stock replacement. Also, if maybe you're just looking to pick up an extra tube to pack with you on your rides for those just-in-case moments, this would be ideal for that because being 2 millimeters thick, it does pack up the smallest of the 3. Moving on from there, you have the severe duty, which is 3 millimeters thick. This is a really good, just all-around option for riders that maybe do a lot of motocross riding, but maybe also ride some off-road. And if you're looking for just a little bit more flat prevention, more durability out of your tube, but you don't want to add as much weight maybe as the ultra heavy duty, this would be a great option. So as far as the weight change, when you go from a 19-inch heavy duty to the 3 millimeter severe duty, you go up to 2 pounds, 9 ounces. So you do increase that weight, but again, you're getting better flat prevention and durability with the severe duty. And then lastly, you have the ultra heavy duty at 4 millimeters. If you're a rider and you're looking for the most durability, the most flat prevention possible out of a tube, this is the route to take. The only sacrifice that you're making is that you do go up in weight. You're 3 pounds, 7 ounces for a 19-inch rear. But again, this is for the guys that probably aren't too more worried about weight as they are getting a pinch flat or just having great durability with their tube. So from here, if you were wanting even more flat prevention, you'd have to look at something like a bib moose or a tubeless system. But what's nice about this tube is that it's less expensive and it's gonna give you the feel that only a tube can. So again, if you are tube shopping, these are 3 great options, very affordable. You've got, again, the 2 millimeter, which is the heavy duty, 3 millimeter severe duty, and the 4 millimeter ultra heavy duty. If you do have questions or comments, want to get those answered, so make sure to leave those below. To grab yours, it's simple. You can click on the link or head to RockyMountainATVMC.com. And remember, if you like this product spotlight, subscribe to the Rocky Mountain YouTube channel, give this video a thumbs up, and stay up to date. I am Chase. We'll see you on the trails.